So you have a great new idea for your small business. You call up your lawyer and say, if I do X, Y, and Z, will it be legal? Will I be able to do that? And how's your lawyer answer? Well, it depends. This drives you crazy, right? I know, I'm guilty of it. I say it all the time to my clients. But the reason is because it's true. Law is not black and white. There are no hard and fast rules, no matter how much TV and books want you to believe that. Yes, there are laws on the books. Yes, there are cases that talk about laws and facts and circumstances surrounding them. But the fact of the matter is, law does not exist in a vacuum. Your small business does not exist in a vacuum. It's virtually impossible for your small business's situation to be exactly the same as someone else's situation and for there to be case law directly on point. In addition, the laws that are written in statutes and regulations are broad. They might be long, they might be wordy, it might take you hours to just get through one relevant section, but the fact of the matter is the drafters of those laws, either because they wanted to or they just were unable to make them clear, have made them extremely ambiguous. And it's all hard a lot of times to figure out where your issue falls within those laws. Then there's the other fact that small business law has a lot to do with things outside of law. Well, yes, there are statutes and regulations and administrative codes and case law precedent that govern what you can and can't do. There's also so much you can do in a contract. And depending on how your contract was written, you heard that right, depending it's how it's written, maybe you can, maybe you can't. What did you agree to with that business partner or that client or that vendor? It might be different than other business partners or clients or vendors you've dealt with in the past. Maybe you're using your business's contract. Maybe that vendor made you use theirs. The provisions are gonna be different. So that's why when you call up a lawyer and ask them a question, their answer is, it depends. They have to look at all the facts, circumstances, and documents surrounding the issue. If you call me up and ask a question, I'm gonna ask for your documents, your policies, your contracts, your operating procedures. What have you done in the past? How have you interacted with this vendor before? Has this employee had disciplinary issues? I know you wanna fire them, but how are they gonna take it? All of those factors play into what you can and can't do legally and what you should and should not do from a business perspective. That's why it's extremely important to have a good relationship with a business lawyer who can help guide you through this maze of business law and good business sense to find answers that are right for your business, are not going to get you in legal trouble, and are not going to have reputational risk for your business. At Schaffner Consulting, I offer a full slate of business law practice areas that relate to small business, and I also engage in business counseling, helping you think through how your business can comply with laws, offer great customer service, and maintain an excellent reputation in the community. Please reach out to me, Kelsey at schaffnerpllc.com, to schedule either a 15-minute introductory consult or an hour-long strategy session where we can plan out how to best protect your business and minimize the situations where it depends.